Hi there, and welcome to this video explaining just the basics of how to use Zoom for video conferencing. I know Zoom is a great tool to meet up with people when you can't see them face to face. I know I'm using it as a teacher to meet with my students if they have questions or need help with assignments, and I know a lot of other teachers are using it for the same reason. So I'm going to be explaining it for my students, but it might be helpful for others as well. So first, you are going to log in, or you're going to navigate to zoom.us using your toolbar up here, your address bar. So you're going to just type that in, and it'll come up with a website that looks like this. So you're going to sign up if you haven't before. If you have signed up, you're just going to click on the sign in button. I'm going to do that since I already have signed up. I just sign in with Google, but you can sign in different ways. And this is what the screen will look like. Okay, so for my students, the two main buttons you're going to be using is either schedule a meeting or join a meeting. So if you're scheduling a meeting, that means you want to request to talk with me, your teacher. So you're going to click on schedule a meeting, and it's going to look a little bit like this. So you can change the topic if you have a question about math or a reading assignment or spelling city or something like that. You can put that in there. For now, I'm going to put in math. If you want to add a description, you can. Maybe a specific question that you have so that I can be prepared to answer those questions. You can put that there. And then you're going to say when you want this meeting to be. So if I say I want it tomorrow at 1 p.m., I'm going to click on that. You can change the duration, how long you want the meeting to last, and in the time zone that we are in. And then we're not going to want to require a meeting password. And then let's see, audio. We want telephone and computer audio. You're going to click on both. All these other things, I think you are pretty good to just save here. Okay, and then that's what that's going to look like. So that's how you schedule a meeting, how you request a meeting with me as your teacher. If you want to join a meeting, so let's say that I have said we're going to have a meeting at this time. If you want to join, I will give you the meeting ID, and you're just simply going to put that in this box here and click on join. There is also an app that you can download, and then it looks a little bit like this. It has the same basic options as the web page. If you want to create a new meeting or join a new meeting or schedule a new meeting, for this orange button where it says new meeting, that's if you're hosting a new meeting. So schedule and join are going to be those two options that you're going to use as a student. So if you want to schedule a meeting with me, you can do that. If you want to join one of my meetings, you can do that. And that's about it. And then once we join a meeting, your webcam will start up and we'll be able to see each other and talk with each other and talk about anything that we need to. Okay, have a great day. Bye.